Kabatai tamai day kalata Mangeshkar kashila ong unong tau jingrai ka Bollywood. Udilap duta uweni kinong tau jingrai papaunam jong ka Bollywood. Uday ubla betinanti hakasamla batai tamai bakan yorung hakakam rai haki film Bollywood. Editor rupang ulayakran dakafun bat uduta.
So Dilip Datta, no?
Yes, speaking.
So we are here with Batai Tamai. Yes.
Right.
So the point is this: we understand that you have encouraged her a lot. Okay.
Right.
So there is one song in the film of Dab Dabatu which we are going to give her a chance to sing.
Yes.
So please tell me something.
Yes, this is one of the item number song.
Yes.
The wording is Raat Rangi Hui, Din Suhane Lage. And my son is Gautam Datta. He is directing that movie. This is my 5th movie as producer. So because in those who are under taking training from me, okay. So I try to boost up. I try to come up in Bollywood as a playback singer. That's why I know that her voice is very nice, and especially that song I'm composed for Bathai, and Bathai sing well, and that song I am going to shoot for my film in Chandigarh, because this month I am going to Chandigarh for shooting my film, and she is really a good singer, and she pick up all my therapy because I trained her. I pray to God that in Shillong, because in Shillong she is really in Lata Mangeshkar, in Shillong's Lata Mangeshkar. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. And my blessing always with her, and she is nice, and as behavior, she is a good singer, and I think the Shillong people will be pray for for Bathai to be a singer. Okay.
Yes. So you see, it is very nice to hear from you that you said that she is a Lata Mangeshkar of Shillong. Okay.
Yeah.
So the point is this: now you have given her a chance to sing a song in your film Dab Dabatu
movie. Okay. Yeah,
the movie.
Part 2.
So my point is this: do you think that Batai can be promoted in Bollywood in the near future?
Because in this movie, in this picture, that song, when that song will come up in the market, so definitely the music directors and producer will definitely call her as a singer, and her destiny, that is all depend on destiny.
Yes.
Right? That is all depend on the grace of God. And she is a very hard work in the music side, and she is regularly practicing what I am giving the courses are, and then notations and classical things. So, and I think the day will come, and the people will know about Bathai. Okay.
Yes. So on behalf of our community, we do send our gratitude to you for encouraging her to be in Bollywood.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
It's a really, because always I try to be help those who are freshers.
Nakwa banang unno kenyang nang चाहा तुझे ओ सनम हो गया ये काट दिया फिर आ रहा है कहने से ये डरता है दिल तुम ही बात की तूने क्या तूने तुम ही बताओ सनम तुम ही बताओ सनम नहीं वो सब मेरा नहीं है।
कभी क्या होता है ना,
मैं दूसरा लाइन
फिजिकल पोजीशन में उस्ताद लोग बैठते हैं,
यंग बोले यन ना आएगा ना लास्ट में, लास्ट में क्या आ रहा है ना, एन आ रहा है ना, ठीक है। यन कुम नो केन यनम चाहा तुझे ओ सनम कहने से ये डरता है दिल तुम ही बताओ सनम ट्रैक के साथ क्या है? अरे अंतरा बोलो।